Hello friends, how are you all? In today's video, I am going to inform you about the new COVID rules in Assam. The government of Assam has issued new rules about COVID-19 for air passengers. This is the new notification from the Government of Assam. Government of Assam Health and Family Welfare Department, Assam Secretariat, Dispur, dated Dispur the 25th September 2020. Order. In supervision of earlier orders of Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Assam, the following standard operating procedure will be applicable for persons arriving in Guwahati by air, in view of the safety measures adopted for air passengers and short duration of flights. Number 1. A person will have to undergo rapid antigen test at designated testing center after he or she disembarks. The Kamrup Metro District Administration will make necessary arrangements in this regard. Number 2. If the rapid antigen test result is positive, the person shall undergo home isolation or treatment in COVID care center or hospital as per protocol. Number 3. If the rapid antigen test result is negative, his or her swab sample would be taken for RT-PCR testing. The following two options will be available for RT-PCR testing. Option 1. Free RT-PCR test. This will be arranged by state government and the test result will normally be available within 3 to 5 days of the collection of swab sample at the designated testing center. The person will have to remain in isolation in his or her residence, etc. for a period of 5 days or till declaration of the test result, whichever is earlier. Accordingly, the person will have hand stamped during collection of sample and home isolation notice will be pasted in person's residence. Option 2. Paid RT-PCR test. This will be done by agencies at the designated testing center on payment of the requisite fee as may be stipulated from time to time. The test result will be provided by the agency within 24 hours. The person will have to remain in isolation in his or her residence till the declaration of the test result. The person will accordingly be hand stamped. However, pasting of home isolation posters will not take place. Number 4. If the RT-PCR test result is positive, the person shall undergo home isolation treatment in COVID care center or hospital as per protocol. However, if the RT-PCR test result is negative, the person is free to carry on his activities without any further quarantine. Number 5. Even after the first RT-PCR test result is negative, a person will continue to monitor his health for next 14 days and report to the nearest hospital in case of emergency of any symptoms. This order will come into force with effect from 26 September 2020. This is the notification from Samir K. Sinha, IAS, Principal Secretary to the Government of Assam Health and Family Welfare Department. So guys, this is the new notification regarding quarantine of air passengers. Further, the Government of Assam has launched a new app, visit assam.org. In this app, the air travelers will get all the required form that need to be filled up at the airport. The link of this app will be available in my description box. So friends, thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.